Airplanes can fly due to a combination of aerodynamic principles and the laws of physics. The primary concepts behind an airplane's ability to fly are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Lift is the upward force that counters the airplane's weight and is generated by the wings as air flows over them. This occurs due to the shape of the wings, which are designed to create a pressure difference between the upper and lower surfaces. The air moves faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath, creating lower pressure above the wing and higher pressure below, thus generating lift. Thrust is the forward force that propels the airplane through the air, typically produced by engines. Depending on the type of airplane, these engines might be jet engines or propellers. Thrust must be sufficient to overcome drag, which is the resistance the airplane faces from the air as it moves. Drag acts opposite to the direction of thrust and must be minimized for efficient flight. Weight is the force due to gravity pulling the airplane downwards. For an airplane to fly, the lift must equal or exceed the weight, and the thrust must overcome drag. Pilots manage these forces through various control surfaces on the airplane, such as the ailerons, rudder, and elevators, which allow them to change the airplane's orientation and flight path. Additionally, the power settings of the engines can be adjusted to change the amount of thrust. Airplanes are meticulously designed with an understanding of these principles to ensure stable and controlled flight. The interplay of these aerodynamic forces is the reason why airplanes can fly.